So the issue I have been having with this is, well, a while back I had an issue with the brake cable, the handbrake cable, that made the handbrake stick. That is now fixed. I also fixed the bearings, as you can see. But my problem now is when I brake, the car sort of goes like this motion from the rear, which makes the car shake under not hard braking, but medium braking. That is annoying. I'm pretty sure that it's down to the brake drums not being completely true after the dragging brake shoes, because that can overheat the brake drum and make it a bit oval. That's my theory. I'm going to try to check if it's oval. I don't know if it's possible to do. And then I'm going to change the drums. There we go, it's off. Everything is new and nice in here, except this one, but it works. But what I'm going to do is to put the drum on backwards or inside out. And this is just to try to test to see if I can actually measure that it's no longer straight. And now I'm not so interested in the actual reading, because this is set up wrong to take a precise measurement, because it's not straight on. But the point is just to see if it varies. And it does, but it's really not a lot. But I'm going to try to put a new one on. Well, it seems to be a bit less, but it's extremely unprecise, this method, because I'm holding this with my hand and the car could actually rock a little bit on the lift itself. But as far as I can see, this moves less than the old one. Let's try on the other side. Well, it is moving, but once again, it's very little. I'm gonna try with the new one. I'd say that this is pretty much the same. Before fitting it, I'm gonna clean it off using brake cleaner, because normally there will be some kind of oil in here to protect it from corrosion. But it's not going to break very well with that oil on it, so it needs to come off. And then I'm going to put the wheel on and do the same on the other side. So now both drums are changed. I'm just going to take a quick spin in the car and tell you if it works or it don't. And then this car will actually soon go into winter storage, because salt is on its way and this car is going to disappear. So it's going into storage.